In this video, I will show you how we can create and update file in Linux. So to create a file in Linux, we use touch command and then we type the name of the file like tech is the name of the file I want to create and enter. If the file is already exist, then it will show you error just like in my last video I have shown you. So the file is created with the user as root and the name of the file is tech and the time is updated. So if you want to update and update any file, you can also use touch command for this purpose. Like if you want to load some configuration of some file, then you can use again touch command and then type the name of the file. Like I have created some file test and test1. So already we can see the file was created on January 19, 23:45 is the time. So I will type touch test and then see the file has been updated with the current time. We have not edited this file, but only use touch command to update the file. So in this way, we can create and update file in Linux. Thanks for watching.